everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Thunder Drain, and today I'm going to be going over what are Tatsu server points and server score. So let's get into it. So this video, I'm just going to be going over the basics of what server score and server and loyalty points are, and what you can do with them. There's many other things you can do with them, but I'm just doing the basics for you right now. So you can follow along with me if you like by going to tatsu.gg. That is their website. So I'm just going to go to servers and go to my server. You don't have to go to a server you're working on, by the way. Modules, and then so you want to go to modules. Once you do that, and you're going to go to rewards and economy. Now once you're here, you want to go to score and points on the side, and basically you have your loyalty points and your active points. Active points are just points you get for talking active points are what you get for your members talking in your Discord thingy, and loyalty points you also get points, but this is a currency. So active points you just get them, to like show off or whatever. But loyalty points, what's special about that is this is your currency. So in the last video we looked at setting up a server shop. So when your members buy something from your server shop, they are using up their loyalty points. You can also change their emojis. So that people can differentiate from them, because you can get them mixed up. I'm actually going to change this to active score, and I'll tell you why in a bit. Down here as well, you can change how much they get and the cooldown on when they get them. So if someone types a message and they get loyalty points, they have to wait 120 seconds before they can get more loyalty points. Blocked roles. So basically what this means is that if someone has a specific role, they cannot get loyalty points. Maybe they're on like warning or whatever, they're muted. If they're muted, I don't really see a mute reason, but yeah. You can also block a channel, so anyone talking in a channel will not receive loyalty points. And blocked channels, global XP.credit. I don't know what this is, I'm going to be honest, because I've never needed to do anything with it. But points and score logs, basically, if you pick a channel, Tatsu will say in that channel, this person has received this amount of loyalty points. So yeah, we're talking in this chat. And now, that's basically the gist of this page. Now, if we go to leveled roles, actually, I'm going to go in here. And, something you need to know when dealing with Tatsu is T-at. Help or whatever. T-at is basically the admin panel or the owner panel for Tatsu, so you can do pretty much whatever you want here. As you can see in here, there is leveled roles, so I'm going to go over them really quickly. Leveled roles, basically you give, Tatsu will automatically give roles to members when they reach a certain active score. I have member and long time member here, and you can stack them. So basically, let's say you have a role for someone reaching 5,000 active score or active points, whatever. You can keep that, and when they hit 10,000 active points, they keep the 5,000 and the 10,000, or you can remove the 5,000 and just keep the 10,000. There's also a website about this score requirement. So in Tatsu, you know how there's levels for when you speak. You can have it so that when someone reaches level 20 in Tatsu, on the Tatsu level scale, they will receive a role. I will link that website down below in the description, so go check that out if you need it. And role earn message. This is basically when someone earns a role, Tatsu will say, hello, congratulations for receiving it. Now back to the admin panel. So there's two main things here, points and scores. The reason I changed the active points to score is because I kept getting mixed up. Basically scores, hold on, if you do T-at scores, so this is for loyalty points, loyalty score, you can give someone a loyalty score, or you can get rid of it if they, break the rules. And you can wipe the entire server scoreboard. So Just be cautious of that. So I can reward it to myself. I can reward active points, and I can reward loyalty points. So to give active points, you go to scores, and to give loyalty points, you go to points, okay? So I know that's a little confusing, but basically, in that admin panel, points is your loyalty points, and score is your active score, okay? So that's why I changed, my active points to active score, okay? Just so keep that in mind. Now, another thing that you can do with it is giveaways. So if you do T at giveaway, you can either give active score, loyalty points, or server items. So the first two are understandable. With server items, it's basically, in the last video, we added stuff to our server store. Basically, you can give for free a giveaway, for your server. Like, you can give a server item, something that's in your server store. Let's just do it here. It'll be in the chat, so it doesn't really matter. Let's give them an accolade for rank card. That's number 1. The number to give away. Let's just do 1. Giveaway started, and then it'll pop up here. As a prize, you can react or type such giveaway to join the giveaway. So we did this, and do that. But I can also do T at giveaway. I'm pretty sure it's like end. Yeah, T giveaway end, and then yeah, see. So like that, you can do it. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have any questions about this admin panel here, then let me know down below in the comments, and I will answer you. Unless it's a really complicated answer, then I'll probably make an entire different video about it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.